Greetings to one and all. I'm Devika Sriguma of Class Plus 2 Science, the head girl of Shabrigiri School, Punalur. Today, June 4, Shabrigiri Senior Secondary School, Punalur is starting their virtual classes for this academic year 2020 on this day. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. So here, Shabrigiri invite you all to the inaugural ceremony of the virtual classes for the academic year 2020. As we all know, the world has been brutally exposed to a pandemic COVID-19, and we are all aware about the current restrictions imposed by the government. So, for the sake of our health and safety, Shabrigiri School Punalur is introducing the new sessions of virtual classes for the academic year 2020 for our dear students. So let us start with the blessings of Almighty. I invite the three sisters, Anne Mariam Prakash, Elsa Mariam Prakash and Teresa Mariam Prakash for the prayer song.
Love me, my Lord. Bless me, my Lord. You are my master always. You are my love always. Love me, my Lord. Bless me, my Lord. You are my master always. You are my love always. I thank you for this gift of life. You give another day to come to you. I thank you for this gift of life. You give another day to come to you. And my life is a journey to you. Love me, my Lord. Bless me, my Lord. You are my master always. You are my love always. Love me, my Lord. Bless me, my Lord. You are my master always. You are my love always.
Thank you, girls. They are sisters. So next we have Srihiri, the head boy of Shabrigiri School Punalur, to deliver the pledge.
National Pledge. Pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Srihiri. We always look for something positive each day, right? So here I invite Abhishek for the thought.
Good morning to all. I am Abhishek S. Nair here with Thought of the Day. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I repeat, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. By Eleanor Roosevelt. Happiness is the most valuable asset and can be achieved by anyone who follow their heart. Don't lose faith and keep believing in your dreams. Remember one thing, great things take more time rather than ordinary. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is just that, extra. Don't give up on your dreams just because it's hard and taking much more time. You are the most powerful person in the world because you have the power to decide what the best you can do for the universe. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now I invite the Vice Principal of Shabrigiri Senior Secondary School, Punalur, Mrs. Dhoni Satyabal ma'am, for the welcome address. Ma'am, please.
There is no word for me to describe this multifaceted personality. On behalf of the Shabrigiri family, I do extend my warm and sincere welcome to you, sir. Directors, the very energetic, charming, vibrant soul of the school, Arun Divakar sir and Divya ma'am, and also manager Sudha ma'am, energetic Principal Rashmi ma'am and all the teaching and non-teaching staff. And more than that, I do extend my sincere welcome to one and all the parents, students, and all of you to this new venture to make it a success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have the Honorable Chairman and Senior Principal of Shabrigiri Group of Institution, our dear Dr. V.K. Jayakumar sir, for lighting the lamp and to enlighten us with his message. Sir, please.
Actually, two teachers.
Mr. and Mrs. Arun, Principal Rashmi, beloved teachers, we are in a very, very important function. What is it? See, world over, there's a dreadful pandemic, COVID-19, you know. And this dreadful disease has put us all in difficulty. Every aspect of our life is in utter difficulty. See, but what about the children? They are innocent. They want to learn. They have to come to school and they have to study. But this disease is not alive. So what is the alternative? We have to ensure that our children get right education. But we are not able to bring them to the school. You are not able to give them classroom teaching. So what we could do only is that we can give only online teaching. Probably for the first time in the history of this country. So this is a very, very important duty of each and every member of staff of the institution. We have a principal and we have a vice principal, we have a good number of very smart teachers. But when you think of online teaching, at least some will have some apprehension. Oh, will I be able to do that? Is it not difficult? No, it's not. Actually, this disease, the only good thing this disease has done is that the technological know-how, knowledge of our people are given a boost. I am sure all the teachers will have to be very good with technology. So it's an opportunity for you to learn the technology and how to use it beneficial for your children. That's very, very important. Now the thing is, children are anxiously waiting for their classes. Parents as well are anxious that their wards are not getting proper guidance or learning facility. So what best we can do is prepare yourself. I think you're all trained well now. By now you know how to do that. But one thing is important. When you do that, in the classroom you have lots of benefits. If at all there is any small minus. But here it's not like that, you are being perfect. In the classroom also we are being perfect, we are. And when we do that through online, definitely it must be perfect. Because children are enjoying the class. There must be happiness in the face of teachers. Don't have any tension on your face because you are doing it for the first time. Have a pleasant face, have a pleasant smile, and talk to the children as if they are before you. As if they are before you. You may even crack jokes, no problem. You see, in Victor's channel, you have seen how teachers are doing it. Make it highly interesting. Highly interesting. So that children you will capture the attention very well. And one or two more things. You have the board activity, blackboard or whiteboard activity. When you write in the board, write in big letters. Because if you write as you write in the classroom, the visual aspect may not be adequate. So write well and speak well in very good language and in a very interesting manner and with a good mood, very, very important. And we can allow students to clear their doubts by asking questions. We are using Google platform, perhaps the most advantageous one. So with that, we are going to give all types of benefits of online education to the children. Very, very important. Now once again, I tell you, distancing is very, very important. Distancing. So you know what happened in Angel yesterday? 144. Because you know how this disease is spread from one to other? Because the students are hearing, I'll tell you about that. See, when we breathe, in our breath there are water particles, minute water particles. If you breathe before a mirror, you can see a cloudy thing. It's all water vapor particles. So, in our expired air, it is there. That contains plenty of virus. If at all I am a carrier of COVID-19, my breath will be emitting thousands and thousands and thousands of COVID virus. And the person near me, he breathes it. And some people wear mask. I am putting it because I am speaking. All the time we should be like this. 2 centimeters, at least 2 centimeters above your nose. Because this virus enters your body through your breath. You breathe through the nose, isn't it? But many people keep the nose open. What is the use? Absolutely useless. And another thing, distancing is very, very, very important. You should always keep distance. And you should not touch another person. And especially you should not touch places where others are touching. Very, very important. No handshake, no hugging, no embrace, nothing of that sort. So we have to be very, very careful because this disease is not going to leave us immediately. It's on the increase, won't take risk. So when I wear this mask, I am not only protecting me, I am protecting the world, I am protecting the people around. So the biggest service you can do is to cover your face very well. Very, very important. Children, can you understand students also?
Yes.
Children,
Students and parents.
Children, I am sure you are all frustrated because you are not able to come to school. But your teachers are coming to you online. Interact. Take the full benefit. Whatever doubt is there, clear it up. Then and there. And you note down the doubts. And you can ask them. You will get opportunity for that. Very, very important. Do not waste time. A timetable will be given at the exact time present there. Listen. And while this is going on, no disturbances. No other phone calls, no other disturbances, you ensure that nobody disturbs you during the class. These are the precautions. പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട രക്ഷകർത്താക്കളോട് എനിക്ക് പറയാനുള്ളത് നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികളുടെ ഈ സങ്കടാവസ്ഥയിൽ അവർക്ക് കൊടുക്കാവുന്ന ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു മോചനം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകളാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ആ കൃത്യസമയത്ത് തന്നെ കുട്ടികൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനും അത് പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും അതിലവർക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ വയ്യാത്തതുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് കുറിച്ച് വെച്ച സംശയങ്ങൾ ടീച്ചറോട് തന്നെ ചോദിച്ച് ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യാനും ശ്രമിക്കണം. ഇതിൽ രക്ഷകർത്താവിൻ്റെ സഹകരണം വളരെ പ്രധാനമാണ്. രക്ഷകർത്താവ് വിചാരിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ ഈ ഓൺലൈൻ ടീച്ചിങ്ങിന് കുട്ടി ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ ഇരുന്ന് കാര്യങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കും. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ ഇപ്പോൾ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്ന വിഷയങ്ങൾ അവർ സ്കൂളിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ നമുക്കൊന്നുകൂടി റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യാം, പ്രശ്നമില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു കാരണവശാലും യാതൊരു ഭയവും ടെൻഷനും വേണ്ട. ശബരിഗിരി സ്കൂളിലെ കുട്ടികളാണ് അവർക്ക് കിട്ടാനുള്ളത് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കും, യാതൊരു സംശയവുമില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കൂട്ടായിട്ട് രക്ഷകർത്താവും കുട്ടിയും അധ്യാപകരും സ്കൂളും ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് ഏറ്റവും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ ഈ ഓൺലൈൻ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ നമുക്ക് പകർന്നു നൽകാം. അവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലുള്ള വിഷമം മാറട്ടെ, അവരുടെ പഠനം സുഗമമായിട്ട് നടക്കട്ടെ. എത്രയും പെട്ടെന്ന് ഈ മഹാമാരി മാറി നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ വന്ന് പഠിക്കാനുള്ള അവസരം ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു.
Thank you, sir, for the motivating words. Next, we have Adityan of Class 8, one of the great orator in our campus, to deliver a speech.
A very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Adityan Nair and today I'm looking forward to speak to you on the topic virtual education and its benefits. It seems everything is moving online these days. Even our education is transferring onto the internet. The COVID-19 has resulted in the schools shut all across the world. Globally, over 1.2 billion children are out of their classrooms. As a result, education has changed dramatically, with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. For students who have only taken courses in traditional classrooms, transitioning to the virtual classrooms can be a bit of an adjustment. The virtual classroom is an online learning environment that allows for live interaction between the tutors and the learners as they participate effectively in learning activities. In other words, the virtual classroom is a shared online space where the tutors and the learners work together simultaneously. In this type of interaction, the teacher has the particularly important role of the moderator who guides the learning processes and supports the group activities and discussions. There are many reasons for why this type of learning is preferred among the students. It is effective and efficient in time management. It is more comfortable in a variety of ways. The pace of learning is managed by the learner. It improves visualization, and the cost of virtual education is often lower than traditional education. So, training in a synchronous virtual classroom can only be successful with the active participation and engagement of the learners. This creates a positive learning environment that helps the learners achieve their expected outcomes. Virtual classrooms offer collaborative learning, which helps the learners work together to achieve common goals, exchange views, clarify meaning regarding some concepts, or to solve problems together. The tutor creates video lectures and self-directed activities that the student can learn at their own pace. So, presenting the content through different types of media retains the attention and interest of the learners or the students. Interactions in a virtual classroom also create a more informal and safer emotional environment as the students generally learn from the comfort of their homes. The learning process is also much more efficient as the usual physical distractions are not present like in a conventional classroom. The virtual classroom offers immediate feedback from both the tutors and the other participants in both a general and individual way. With these reasons, it is not hard to see why this form of education is on the rise. Virtual education, which came as a panacea for the crisis, is now seen as a new paradigm of education. Even though it might be too early to predict that e-learning is going to majorly impact education, I am hopeful that it will herald the arrival of a new normal. Thank you.
Thank you, Adityan. Next, I invite Aina of class 10 to recite a poem. Enjoy.
നമസ്കാരം. ശ്രീമതി സുഗതകുമാരി അമ്മ രചിച്ച ഒരു തൈ നടാം എന്ന കവിതയാണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ ചൊല്ലാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. ഇതു പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടുന്നു, ഇതു മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടുന്നു, ഇതു പ്രാണവായുവിനായി നടുന്നു, ഇതു മഴയ്ക്കായി തൊഴുതു നടുന്നു, അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തേൻപഴങ്ങൾക്കായി ഒരു 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടുന്നു, അഴകിനായി തണലിനായി തേൻപഴങ്ങൾക്കായി ഒരു 100 തൈകൾ നിറഞ്ഞു നടുന്നു. ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. ചൊരിയും മുലപ്പാലിനോർമ്മയുമായി പകരം തരാൻ കൂപ്പു കൈ മാത്രമായി, ചൊരിയും മുലപ്പാലിനോർമ്മയുമായി പകരം തരാൻ കൂപ്പു കൈ മാത്രമായി. ഇതു ദേവി ഭൂമി തൻ ചൂടൽപ്പമാറ്റാൻ നിറകണ്ണുമായി ഞങ്ങൾ ഇതു ദേവി ഭൂമി തൻ ചൂടൽപ്പമാറ്റാൻ നിറകണ്ണുമായി ഞങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന പൂജ. ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്കു വേണ്ടി. നന്ദി.
Thank you, Aina. Now I invite the main pillar of support after school, the director of Shabrigiri Senior Secondary School, Punalur, Mr. Arun Divagar sir, for the felicitation. Sir, please.
Very good morning, respected Chairman Dr. V.K. Jaykumar sir, Principal Mrs. Rashmi, all teaching and non-teaching staff, my dear parents and handsome boys and beautiful girls. See, first of all, let me start by telling you all that we really miss you here. See, this function would have been filled with around 1,000 students and maybe around 300 parents. We know that you're sitting in front and watching this later when it comes to you. So, you're in the comfort of your zone, home. So you're sitting there and going to listen to all these things. This would have been much, much better if you all would have been here. Anyway, going forward, today is our inauguration of our virtual classes. My dear parents and dear students, in the mid-April, we have already started some WhatsApp classes for you. And I guess all of you participated in that. We did a lot of activities. We had some good revision test, MCQ test, little bit of teaching, everything happened. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Now we have come to a point where we are starting our academic year officially. With less forms and less enthusiasm, we are going to start this. But you're all sitting there at home with vigor, energy and all those things. So we expect you to be a part of this online classes. Your teachers have been trained or have been training for the last few days and they have tried to do their best to you. So their motivation is your participation. That is the most important thing. So I hope, rather than criticizing your teachers or criticizing what is happening, support them. The support is what is going to give them the energy. They're already having a lot of energy. It's something new for not only the staff, it's for the school and for you parents and for you students. So the only way to go forward is basically your support. The support really matters. So let me tell you, whatever problems you have, let it be any issues, there is always a solution. There is always a solution. So don't worry about anything. Hiccups will happen. We'll clarify that. Yesterday itself I got some calls from some parents. They were asking about what if you miss the live classes? Doesn't matter. We will be recording that and we will be providing that also. On the technical side, we are using Google Meet and we are using Google Classroom also. So these are the two platforms that we are using. In Google Meet, we can only have live classes. Whereas in Google Classroom, we can only have recorded classes. So these are the two advantage and disadvantage of both these platforms. So whatever happens live, always you have to be in Google Meet. And the same thing will be recorded and given to you in Google Classroom. So you're not going to miss anything. If at all you miss also, don't worry. There is that WhatsApp platform anyways available. We will be interacting with you through that also. So everything is almost set. I would request all the students and the parents to be very, very supportive. The chairman has come forward and given us the opportunity to do this virtual class and we are going to start that. Mrs. Rashmi, welcome you to our school. She is your new principal and a very, very vibrant lady with a lot of energy, lot of love and very, very accommodative. So I welcome her on behalf of you all also. So dear parents, once again let me request you, anything that you have a problem with, we are here to solve that. 24/7. Doesn't matter in the night, whenever, we are there for you. And students, please enjoy this new system or methodology of teaching. Be a part of that, get involved, be serious. When you're sitting in front of that, just make sure that you attend to the teacher. And if you have any doubts that can be cleared, there will be clearing sessions, doubt clearing sessions and all those things, teachers will be letting you know. In 2 or 3 classes, I can assure you, you'll also be very comfortable in doing all these things. So with these words, let me stop my speech. And God bless you all. And a wonderful academic year is just starting. Little different, but we are starting. Anyway, thanks a lot. All of you have a great academic year. God bless you all. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I think it's a new leaf or a new beginning for our school today as we are beginning our virtual classes officially from today onwards. Let me just take this opportunity to wish all our dear students a great academic year and hope you all enjoy the online classes which are beginning from today. I hope you had a great vacation because we have been doing all these WhatsApp classes have been going on. I think your activities were really, some of them were mind-blowing, I should say. So, one word to all our dear parents to make sure that you give all support to your kids because they're having a new venture in their life. Give them all support, especially study room if possible, and hope to see all your smiling faces soon in our campus. Wishing all good luck and may God bless us with this new venture. Thank you.
Now I invite the Iron Lady of Shabrigiri Senior Secondary School, Punalur, the new captain of our ship, none other than Rashmi Baiju ma'am, to shower us with her blessings. Ma'am, please.
Good morning to you all. Today, I'm so happy and excited to address you all because today we are going to write a new chapter in the history of Punalur Shabrigiri School. Our chairman has just inaugurated our virtual classes, and that marked the beginning of the new academic year 2020-21. So, dear students, do you know that education is a continuous journey through knowledge and enlightenment? And your teachers are here. We are here with you. We are here to guide you, inspire you, and motivate you as you travel through this journey called education. So children, I have an appeal for you. See, this online session, this online platform is entirely a new thing to both teachers and students. So it's an appeal from your principal to be with us, to be with our teacher community. Please do support them. Please do cooperate with them. Then only we can have a successful online sessions. Okay, children? So anyway, I hope to see you all soon in the campus. I want to see all your smiling faces back to classroom. So anyway, we are with you always. Shabrigiri family is with you always. So anyway, dear children and parents, may the God Almighty help us to have a wonderful academic year ahead. And welcome to the new academic year. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. By this, we have come to the end of our inaugural ceremony, and I invite Anne Mariam, Teresa Mariam, and Elsa Mariam for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग
So now I take this opportunity to thank the entire management, the teachers and all the staff for their immense effort and support. And I also take this opportunity to thank all the parents for their supportive hands. And I also thank all the well-wishers for their blessings and prayers. So I wish all the best to my friends for the upcoming sessions of the online classes. Once again, thanking you all on behalf of the entire Shabrigiri. Thank you all. Stay healthy, stay safe, and may God bless you. Thank you.